Look who I found. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I thought I would unbox with you my new Zimomo, as well as show you some Labubus in my collection that you have not seen before. Before I get started with today's video, I wanted to just share with you some of the limited edition Labubu pendants that I received. I didn't do a dedicated video on them, so I figured I'd share them with you here. But this is the Wings of Fortune Labubu. It is this gorgeous purple color and has this really cute gold dress. The next one that I received was the Let's Checkmate Queen. Absolutely love these pastel colors. I then, of course, had to get the Fall in Wild pendant. I know I already have the Labubu doll, but you know what? I needed the pendant as well just to complete the collection. And all of these ones that are in the boxes will remain in the boxes. These are the ones I'm going to be keeping for collecting purposes. And this was probably the hardest one for me to find just because I was so late to the game in getting this. This was released in Halloween of 2024. But I only started collecting Labubus in 2025. Thankfully, I paid retail for this still. These Facebook groups are amazing. Absolutely love this one. Okay, now let's unbox Zimomo. So the packaging is similar to the Angel and Cloud Zimomo that I unboxed a couple weeks ago. It is in this huge box. It comes with a tote bag as well as a card. So let's go ahead and open him up. Can you guys see him? So this is the bag that I'm referring to. It is the same bag as the Angel and Cloud one. However, it does say Zimomo Original on it. And it does have the same two handles where you can carry it short ways or as well as long ways. So this is just a great touch to have. And immediately once you open the box, you're greeted with his collectible card. So make sure you don't throw that away. And here's what the card looks like up close. I love that they put it in this little plastic wrap. I wish that they put all the parts in this kind of material so that way it kind of keeps it protected. But you know what? Neither here nor there. And here he is, the man of the hour. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off. Zimomo, I found you. Some differences to note from the Angel and Cloud one is this one does come with a cute little leather collar with a little tag that says the monsters on it. His eyes still do move, as well as so does his tail. Another notable difference compared to the Angel and Cloud one is Zimomo's hands. One of them is pointing because he found you. Now I just have to figure out where to put him. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.